you carrying the heavy burden of what you owe, feeling trapped by endless bills and debts? Imagine if you could transform that weight into a sense of empowerment and ownership. Welcome to the journey from owing to owning. Every day, millions of us wake up with a heavy weight on our minds. We're worried about what we owe. The bills, the loans, the mortgages, and the debts that seem to never end. It's as if our lives have become a series of payments, trapping us in a cycle of financial pressure and stress. But what if I told you there's a way to break free? The mindset of owing creates a vibration of scarcity and lack. It affects our energy, our decisions, and even our health. Our subconscious keeps reminding us of how much we're indebted, reducing our ability to feel abundant. But the good news is that there's another way, shifting to an owning mentality. Let's explore what it means to live with an owing mentality. You see, when we focus on what we owe, our subconscious becomes burdened. We walk through life thinking, I have to pay this, I have to earn that, or I'll never get out of this debt. Our thoughts are locked in a state of anxiety and fear. It's like carrying invisible shackles. These thoughts shape our behavior, making us more risk-averse, fearful, and often even ashamed of our situation. But here's where the power of thought comes in. What if we could change that script? The mindset of owning isn't just about physical possession. It's about a sense of control, empowerment, and self-worth. When you walk with the mentality of ownership, you start to see opportunities instead of obstacles. You feel gratitude for what you have and believe that you're capable of manifesting more. When you think in terms of owning, your vibration shifts from scarcity to abundance. You start to align yourself with higher frequencies that attract more positive outcomes into your life. This isn't just a spiritual concept, it's backed by psychology and the law of attraction. Practical exercises to shift your mindset. Start each day by writing down 3 things you already own. This doesn't just mean physical possessions. It could be your skills, your health, or your relationships. By focusing on what you have, you'll create a foundation of abundance. Spend 10 minutes a day visualizing your future self as someone who owns their dream home, has financial freedom, or feels deeply secure. Use all your senses. What does it look like, feel like, or even smell like? This exercise helps reprogram your subconscious to believe in the possibility of owning. I am the owner of my financial destiny, or I have the power to create and attract wealth. These affirmations change your self-talk and elevate your energy. Remember, the journey from owing to owning starts in the mind. By taking control of your thoughts and practicing these exercises, you can transform your reality. Don't wait. Start your journey today. If this message resonates, share it with others and spread the power of abundance.